Good day everyone. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write addition of 5 numbers using PHP. In this video, we will learn how to incorporate HTML forms to accept input value from our user, and then our program will compute the sum by adding the values of 5 variables in PHP. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much for all my subscribers, viewers, and followers of my channel. I am glad that gradually we are increasing in terms of number of subscribers. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started, guys. I am here in my IDE. You can use your text IDE or integrated development environment or text editor, any text editor that you want, Notepad++ or Notepad. But right now I'm preferred to use this kind of text editor, Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. You can download it free, from the internet, free from charge. So here we can start writing the code. HTML, title, addition of 5 numbers in PHP. Okay, so we're gonna have here the head, slash head, body, header 2, addition of 5 numbers in PHP. Okay, next we declare a form method post give first value input type equals maybe we can have number because we want to accept a number, and then num equals num1. br will copy this one 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So instead of first, we change it to second, third, fourth, and fifth. So here we change our variable num1, num2, num3, num4, num5. Okay, so we close our form, close body, and then we open a tag PHP, if dollar underscore post begin dollar num1 equals dollar post num1, our first variable. We copy again this one, 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. So we have to change this. So num1, num2, num3, num4, and num5. Okay, we are doing good right now. So here we are gonna have a dollar sum equals open parenthesis dollar num1 plus dollar num2 plus dollar num3 plus dollar num4 plus dollar num5 semicolon. So here we can have echo the sum of dollar num1 comma dollar num2 comma dollar num3 comma dollar num4 comma and dollar num5 is dollar sum period close semicolon. And then after we have done, we close it. Okay, so let us save our work first before I will explain everything. We go back on the local drive C, sump, htdocs, right click, new folder, addition, double click, index.php, click the save button. Now here this portion of the code will accept input from our user. It will store on several variables num1, num2, num3, num4, and num5. After which in our PHP those variables will be passed in this variable also, post 1, 2, and 3, this portion of the code, and then this one will sum all the values from num1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it will display. Let us go back to our browser, addition slash index.php. Okay, what happened? There is an error, I think. Okay, addition. Well, let us check the code. What happened here? Post, let us evaluate. Okay. Here is the mistake. Instead of name, sorry guys. Okay, let's try it again. Hmm. What's the problem? Number. Let us review the things that we have done. Hmm. Okay. Let us do some debugging first. If there is an error, it is very important to know what is the, you can use this command. So error reporting 1. Echo. What is the problem? Let me replace this one with text. Save again. Addition. Square. Let me see. Why? Why it is making this kind of error? Addition. Okay, I think I forgot the title here. Let us try again. Okay. Okay. Some lapses. Number. This is the one of the most trickiest in PHP programming. If you forgot something in the HTML or CSS or PHP code, it will give you an error that does not display on the screen, just like this one. So let's say, for example, we can have 1 2 3 addition of 5 numbers in PHP. Okay, and then I forgot also to write button type equals submit solve. Button we can have, maybe we can have your title, click to solve. Click to solve the sum. Save. Let us refresh. We are back. Refresh. 1 2 3 4 5. Click the save button. Okay, the sum of 1 2 3 4 and 5 is 15. Another example. 5 5 5 5 5. Click to solve the sum. The sum of 555 is 25. Here we go, guys. We have already done writing a program that will sum the 5 input numbers in PHP. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.